Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a site canvas to a page here in Showit. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your project or website. Now in here, as you can see, we have in the left panel under site, we have site canvases, okay? You can just easily click on the plus sign right here and just add in a blank site canvas. Now, how do we do it on a page, right? So click on page right here, okay? And once done, go ahead and click on the three dots right here. And then just click on add blank canvas. All right, this is new canvas. For example, we'd name it forms. Okay, click on three dots, rename forms, like so. Hit on save, and then once done, click on three dots once more. And as you can see here, we have the option to convert to site canvas. Okay, just click on it, and once done, you're good to go. When you go ahead over to sites and to check on site canvases, here you have your new site canvas, specifically from a page. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.